Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open firefly.adobe.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on the sign in button in the top right corner. You can either continue with your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, or your email address. It's completely up to you, but for this video I'll go with Google account. After sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on image and select video. Next click on more options. And a new workspace will open. Here you'll get access to VEO 3.1 fast and Kling 3.0, but I'll go with VEO 3.1 fast. Below, select the video resolution, aspect ratio, video duration up to 8 seconds, and whether you need audio or not. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and paste it in Adobe Firefly. Then finally hit the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can either sign up with your personal Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, or your email address. It's completely up to you. This free tool, Adobe Firefly, gives you limited free generations on a daily basis. Once your generation limit is reached with one account, simply sign up again using a different Google account or any other sign up option. So you can get more free generations and generate as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.